Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I was going to fix a long package of chicken wings. I was going to air fry them. I opened that package and the wings stunk, and I touched them. I was going to rinse them off. They were greasy, slimy. So Walter took it out to the garbage can right away so it didn't stink up the house. Got it from Walmart. It's not the first time. Okay, so we got some steaks on sale at Jewel yesterday. And it would have been $20.22 for this steak. So I paid $9.51. What is this? T-bone? No, it ain't. It's a rib. Ribeye. Okay. I know this ain't no T-bone. Don't have the bone. It's a ribeye. And it's thicker than I would have liked, but the price was right, so I'll deal with it. And I'm going to show you the seasonings I'm going to use. These were sent to me by the Cooking with Greens company. All different kinds. And each seasoning has no salt in it. Salt-free all-purpose blend. No salt Italian blend. No salt herb blend. And I got a couple more. No salt onion and black pepper. And the next one is no salt sweet smoke blend. So I'm going to use all of them. Since there's no salt in them, I can sprinkle freely. And for the salt, I'll be using some beef bouillon powder. This is salty. And I'm going to put some hot sauce on the steak before I put the seasonings on. Usually I use, what's this here sauce? I ain't got none. I got hot sauce. And this is the La Preferita brand. Okay. I'm going to wash this steak and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be air frying the steak. I'm using the Eden Pier unique air fryer. It has this large fry basket, which I love. And I just put it right in the bottom of the basket. No grill pan or nothing. This is it. And it's so easy to clean. Out of all my air fryers, this is my absolute favorite air fryer. So I'm starting with hot sauce. Then I'm going to add the beef bouillon. It's the only salt I'll be using. A little bit. Yes, I put hot sauce on my steak. That's the salt. Sprinkle freely. There's no salt in any of them. So I'll be back when I'm finished sprinkling. And I'm going to do the other side also. Okay, I'm through seasoning my steak on both sides. And I put some pats of butter on top and sprinkle some black pepper on top of the butter. So I'll put in my Eden Pier unique air fryer. Turn it on, and I'm set it for the steak setting. I'm pressing menu, and it's set for 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. So we'll see if that's enough time. That steak is pretty thick. Meanwhile, I'm going to fix my mashed potatoes and some salad to go with it. Walter's already eaten. He fixed him a steak earlier because I told him I was fixing chicken. He's so sick of chicken, so he has eaten. So he's full. Okay, so I'm just fixing for me. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, I want to give a shout out to my daughter, Keontae. We call her Kia. Today is her birthday. I don't know how old that child is. I don't know how old nobody is. 7 daughters, I don't know. Happy birthday, Kia. And this was also my father's birthday. Happy heavenly birthday, Daddy Jim. He would have been 100 years old today. I miss him so much. He was the best father ever. For real, for real. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all, I'm sure my steak is done now. 2 seconds, 1 second. It beeped. Look at that steak. Oh, I forgot I had the mashed potatoes on. Turn that off. I'm going to plate it up and I'll be back again. Okay, I fixed my mashed potato, buttery mashed potatoes in my Matteson hot pot. One of my friends, my honeys, blessed me with. And put it right alongside the steak. I'm going to eat all of this. Might have to put the plate up for a little while and then come back. I don't have steak sauce. But guess what I'm going to use? Barbecue sauce on my steak. Yes. Open pit original. People say you ain't gonna taste the meat. That's okay. This is how I like it. I enhance it. Now, y'all want to see me taste this. Oh, you see I got a salad here. And I used, that was Catalina dressing I was using. Okay. Okay, here's my dinner. Yeah, I might have to put some of it up till later. But that's how it's looking right now. I'm gonna enjoy it. Okay, I just cut a piece of steak. It looks medium well. We're going to taste it and see how tender it is and how well seasoned it is. I always bless my food. Tender, seasoned well. Oh my goodness. Let me taste some of these taters. Salad. Oh. This is a full meal. Okay. Thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And remember to wish my daughter, Kia, that's K-I-A, a very happy birthday. Okay, and rest in heaven, Daddy Jim. That's what we called our father, Daddy Jim. His name was James. Okay, and everybody called him Jim. And me and my brother called him Daddy Jim. Bye, y'all. I'm going to let you go. Be blessed.